I had a new friend recently ask how repeatable my proximity sensors were on my machine, and it struck me as interesting because I hadn't thought about it, and I never tested that when I converted this from mechanical cherry switches for the home and the limits. I never had actually gone back and tested the repeatability of the proximity sensors. So I set up a test on each axis today, and here are the results. This is currently indicating off the center of the rear of my gantry on my CNC machine, and this machine has about 23.5 Y by 19.5 X by somewhere 4 to 3 inches of Z. And I just want to show you it's homed right now. I've got the indicator set to 0, and I'm going to jog it forward and come off the indicator probably about a quarter of the way, and then I'll home the machine and we'll see how close we get to 0. Alright, I'm going to hit home. And there we're pretty much dead on 0 where we started from. So I'm going to go ahead and try the other 2 axes and we'll see how they do. Alright, now I've got it on the X, and I'm just indicating off the side of the motor mount. So I'm going to jog it, same routine as last time. I'm going to jog it out and home it back, and we'll see how close to 0 we get on the X. And it's back to dead on, and just to show you that is repeatable. And there we go. So we'll move on to the Z. Alright, we're looking straight at the Z. Let me explain what I had to do. I couldn't get my dial indicator base correct for how I wanted to. My dial is actually too big to get in, so I'm vertical off the part. So I took this ground parallel, it's actually a sine bar, and clamped it to my spindle mount so it's in plane with the spindle mount. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the spindle off of the indicator, and then I'll do the same thing as last and I'll home it. So here we go. I'll reference Z. So we're back to 0. We'll do it again. Go down a little further this time. Reference Z again. And there we are. So all 3 axes, and I did not know this until I never really had tried it, but all of my axes 0 back, pretty much dead on every time. So that's good to know. If you're setting up a fixture on your machine, it looks like at least these inductive proximity sensors that I'm using, they're very small. They have a very tiny read range. They only read 1 millimeter away from the sensor, so it looks to be very accurate, and that's good news to know going forward with some of the other machines I'm looking to build. So I just wanted to demonstrate how accurate the homing with the proximity sensors is. So appreciate your time. Thanks for all the new subscribers. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to keep up with what's going on. And as always, I welcome all your questions and comments, and we will talk to you next time. Thanks.